Hello, this is Gio, and hey, look what I have. This nice little book display case. I actually got this for free. It just kind of slides open like that. It works really well. There's a little piece of glass here missing, but I could replace that. But I do have a little issue that I would like to resolve. And it's just here on the side of the bookcase right here. At one time it looks like they had put some duct tape and there's some residual glue in a couple of spots right here and right here, and I'm hoping to get that removed. Okay, so I could use a little bit of Goo Gone or something like that. I do have that, but what I've read is you kind of want, especially if you're going to try to take it off of a wood, you kind of want an oil-based product, something that will soften up this really hard duct tape glue. And so a couple of things that I've read up, you could use some WD-40. So I do have two spots, so I will try the WD-40 on one spot. And then you could even just use simple olive oil. I have some olive oil spray here. I also have some other olive oil, but I'll just use this spray right here, and I'll use that on the other spot. But first I'm going to kind of lean over this bookcase on its side, so when I apply this it won't just dribble on down. So I'll do that next. So it's on the side, and you can kind of see they're kind of comparable, different shapes, but it's essentially the same duct tape. So it'll be a good test to see which one of these work better. So let's just go ahead and spray a little WD-40 on this. Just apply that. I'll spread it around in just a second, and I will apply a little bit of, focus. There we go. I'll just apply a little bit of the, I'm running out of olive oil here, but it got it on there. And I'll just spread it a little bit with my fingers and let this sit. And I understand that after a little while you can perhaps just scrape this off. And here, let me use my thumb so I don't contaminate. I'll just spread this on just like that, and I'll just let this sit for a little while, and hopefully that won't hurt the wood, but we'll come back and see how easily it scrapes off. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes sitting there. Now I'm going to scrape it with just a little KitchenAid dish scraper. You could also use just a plastic putty knife. Don't use a metal knife, but I'll try with the WD-40 side to start with, and just kind of scrape it a little bit. And I don't know, it's not really, oh, look at that, actually it is scraping off pretty well. I think this part needs a little more soaking, and so we'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to wipe this off and then go to the oil. I think I got the WD-40 off this, and let's see how well the olive oil worked. Well, it's not working as well as the WD-40. It has softened it a little bit. Let's just let it sit a little while longer. Let's add a little bit more of this. We'll add a little bit more WD-40. I'm not sure if we need more, but just a little bit more. Maybe something in the WD-40 seems to be dissolving that a little bit better. So we'll come back another 10 minutes and see what's happening. Okay, so it's been about another 10 minutes, and we'll go ahead and try the WD-40 side again. Well, that seems to be working pretty darn good. Let's go try the olive oil. Alright, let's try this. Well, it's kind of softening, but really nothing is coming up. So what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to wipe this olive oil off, apply the WD-40, and see if I can get both spots clean. And this is probably about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes more. You can kind of see the WD-40 is almost like bubbling up, and pretty much the rest of the duct tape is gone. Over here, again, I've added some WD-40. The olive oil was scraped off, and it is just coming off really easily. So I think we do have a clear winner here. It is the WD-40. If you want to use the olive oil, it may eventually work, but either way, it's not harming the wood. If you check this out right here, it's essentially the wood is fine. Now the WD-40 does have a little bit more of an oily smell, of course. You might have to kind of do some cleaner to get rid of it. But there you go. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.